Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn getters and setters in Python. So what is the getters and setters? So in Python you can see getters and setters are a method used to access means get and modify means set the value of a private variables in a class. So what is the getters and setters? Getters and setters are a method used to access and modify the value of a private variables in a class. So they help implementation of encapsulation means a data hiding in object oriented programming. So why do we need to use the getters and setters? You can see here, normally class variable can be accessed directly. You can see example, suppose student class and def init is a constructor and just pass the one variable name and self dot name equals to name. So here we have created one object, yes, student, pass the name as a Rahul and print yes dot name. So we can access, direct access the class variable. So this is not good because sometimes we want to protect our data, validate the data and control how data is modified. That's where getters and setters come in. So for a security reason we use setters and getters method. Using traditional getters and setters method. You can see here before Python features there was we using these types of setters and getters method. Just see class student def underscore unit self comma name. Here you can see class is student and def constructor is a init self name and age. So self dot double underscore name means private variable. You already know double underscore means this is a private variable. So you can see getter method. So def get name self return self dot double underscore name and setter methods is def set name self name self dot double underscore name and name. So here we are setting the name and we are getting the name. So same is for age, getter for age. Just return the age and set the age. You can see setter with a validation. So if age is greater than 0, set dot double underscore age equals to age. It's print age must be positive. So creating object. So if we have created one object student Amit and 20. So here you can see print s dot get name. So what will the get? Get will return the Amit. And suppose this already age is 20. So we are setting age now 25. So s dot get age is 25. So before this property method we are using like this, just like a double underscore name and double underscore age are a private variable. So get name used to read the data and set name used to modify the data, right? So setter can include the validation logic as well, just like if condition. We have used the if condition to set the value. So, but by using a Pythonic way, we are using a property method for a setters and a getters. Property is just like a decorator. Other property is a decorator. Python provides a cleaner way using this other property decorator. So just you can see class student dep underscore init underscore sale comma age and self dot age equals to age. But here you can see we are using this decorator at the rate property decorated. So just define the def age method. There is no need to give set name and any other thing. They understand this property decorator is meaning getters methods. So return self dot age and at that age dot setters means we can set the value. This is the setter methods. So by our own way we need no need to declare this is the setters and getters. So these two decorators we use for setters and getters methods. Property method, property decorator and age dot setter. So we can use these two methods and decorator just like suppose create variable as science student 20 so print is dot age so getters called right. We are calling this is dot age same, you can see this is the same and is dot age equals to 25 setter will call. So print is dot, so here you can see we are not calling set and age just like before we creating, because now just we have used this decorator property and is dot setters. So we can call directly getters and setters and print is storage. So let's see this example in our VS Code. Just open your VS Code. So this is my VS Code. I have created this folder getters and setters method. Just create one file, that is the setter underscore teacher, and you can see just create a file name setter underscore and getter dot py. Just create this example class class student and create one constructor def underscore unit self comma age and self dot age equals to age def underscore unit just pass the age and save dot age. You can see you have to pass the private variable because we are doing a getter and setters, and getter and setters normally used for securing our data. So we need to declare a private variable. So I'm declaring double underscore age equals to age, right? Now just we have to use this property decorator so we can declare as a getters method. So just declare property and in that def age and just pass the age def age self and return self dot age. So you can create a getter methods, right? return self dot underscore age, right? You can see in this functions. So this is a getter functions. So just create a now setters functions. So for setters, just we are doing getters method for age. So just use this at the rate age dot setter decorator. Just use at the rate age dot setter. Just create a now method div. Just directly use age, same name, because here we no need to declare as a set name, because before this decorator methods we were doing like this, but now by using a property and age setter we are a very cleaner way in Python. We can create a getter set. So just declare same name, just like a getter set div age cell comma, and in that pass the value of age. If value is greater than 0, and you can use a condition as well. If value is greater than 0, save dot age equals to value. Else if you can use else condition as well. Print age must be positive, because normally user can enter anything. That's why we are using these conditions. Print now just create the object of a class s equals to student, and just pass the age 20 suppose, and now call the getters methods. You can see print s dot age, print s dot age. So we are calling directly getters method, right? And now you can set the value of s dot age. Suppose I am changing the value 10 to high. Now print the age. Print s dot age. Now run and check what is the output. So now we will get the output as a 25. So just see, before this will print 20 and after the set the value this will print 25. Now check, run. So you can see before this printing a 20, now printing the 25. So normally by using a property decorator we can use a getters and age dot setters, we can use the setters methods. So this is a new way to use the or create the getters and setters method in a Python. So that's all about the getters and setters method. So we don't need to create a just like a setters methods, just like a set name, get name. Uh, but we can use this just like a property record and directly use the save.age and age.setter. So Python automatically understand this is a getters and setters. So that's why this is a cleaner way. So we can use this way to create a getters and setters methods. Advantage look like a normal variable access. Cleaner and more Pythoning. No need to call the get or set methods manually. And key points for suppose just we need to know the getters and setters are used for encapsulation, means the data securing, and private variables are declared using a double underscore variable, and getters returns the value and setters modify the value and can include the validation as well. At the rate property decorator, at the rate property decorator is the modern Python way. So what is the getters and setters? Getters and setters are methods used to access and modify the private data members of a class. They provide a control access to a class attributes and help achievement achieve encapsulation in an object oriented programming. So that's all about the getters and setters method in a Python. So thank you for watching this video.